If you're looking for the best pressure washer, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Most popular Sun Joe SPX 3000. This model is equipped with a large motor, which delivers 1800 watts and a pressure of 20-30 psi. The water is also heated by the machine to a temperature of 104 degrees. The manufacturer intends the machine for many diverse purposes. It can be used to clean virtually anything: boats, vehicles of all sorts, garden machinery, and walkways. The device uses detergent to make the cleaning more thorough. There are 2 large tanks inside it where 0.9 L of your choice cleaner are stored. When the trigger is let go, the pump turns off too, in order to conserve electricity and improve the motor life. The maximum pressure is rated at 20-30, however, the typical amount generated is 1450 psi. Pros: strong enough for any application, and at the same time very mobile. Comparatively inexpensive, especially if compared to gas-powered devices. Cons: some metal parts of this machine are prone to rusting. They can cause the hose to close up, and the machine will stop working. Number 2. Briggs Stratton 20680. This device, with a maximum pressure of 1800 psi, can spray 1.1 gallons per minute. However, at 900 psi it sprays 1.2 gallons a minute. The machine is notable for its sturdy protective skeleton, which is assembled from steel. The interior of this model includes a tank for liquid cleaner. You can add any soap you choose. The detergent tank holds half a gallon of soap. The hose is a full 20 feet in length, letting you reach virtually anywhere. The hose is equipped with a trademark turbo nozzle, which concentrates the water and makes cleaning 40% quicker and more efficient. The manufacturer provides a warranty for 1 year, thus proving his product is high quality. There are 3 different nozzles sent with this machine, and they all serve different purposes. The solid wheels, 7 inches in diameter, let you roll the device around any terrain. Pros: very sturdy exterior and overall robust build. Manages to stay small and mobile, while remaining very powerful. Cons: the electric cord and the hose are located on the same side, therefore they tend to entangle each other. Number 3. PW3100 gas-powered. This device can generate up to 3100 psi. It uses a large gasoline motor, measuring 208 cubic centimeters. The 4-stroke engine can push through 10 liters of water per minute. There are 5 nozzles delivered with this machine and a container of trademark detergent. The 4 angled nozzles and the soap nozzle are conveniently stored on board, as there is a small shelf for them. The onboard soap container holds 32 fluid ounces of detergent. The huge 12-inch wheels allow you to cart the machine around any terrain without having to lift it up. The hose has an impressive length of 30 feet and is made of reinforced material. The manufacturer presents a warranty for 2 years. The manufacturer recommends this for virtually any cleaning work: car washing, boat cleaning, road maintenance, and others. Pros: extremely powerful pressure. Quality OHV motor, proven to be durable and mostly free of maintenance. Easy to assemble, comes with all needed tools. Cons: the engine vibrates during work and this causes the nozzles to fall off their shelf. People have suggested keeping them elsewhere. Number 4. Champion 3200 psi. The 224 cubic centimeters motor that this machine is equipped with allows you to get 3200 psi and spray out 2.4 gallons a minute. There are 5 different nozzles shipped with this one, 4 angled ones and 1 for soap. It comes with a long reinforced hose, 25 feet long, and a 4-foot long hose for detergent. The water sprays only when the trigger is pushed down, however that is not a problem because of the trigger's ergonomic shape. You will not get too tired holding it down. There are 2 integrated containers for detergent, each holding half a gallon of soap. The axial pump is produced by Automot, and it lasts much longer than its counterparts. Also, it lets you always have stable pressure. The brand promises 2 years of warranty and free support from their specialists. Pros: very easy to start, even for a weak person. Voluminous gas tank makes for long work without refilling. Very high maximum water pressure. Cons: the hose is tough, but it is also very stiff. It does not roll up or bend easily, so it will be hard to store. Number 5. Karcher 132464440K5. The electric motor allows the device to generate up to 2000 psi and move up to 2.2 gallons a minute. You can use 2 buttons to regulate the pressure up and down. The long 25-foot hose rolls onto a reel, which is built into the machine. The lowest pressure setting is so soft that it will work well for cleaning woodwork and other delicate surfaces. The nozzle is multi-purposed, and if you rotate it, it will change the spraying style. The motor is an improvement over most models, because it is an induction motor. Better yet, it is water-cooled, so its lifetime is almost 5 times longer. The light, ergonomic trigger puts no stress on the hands at all, and you can therefore use it for a long time without tiring. The unit is put together in Italy. Pros: packs a lot of power for its comparatively little size. Multifunctional nozzle, which can be adjusted to do different things. Stylish screen on the handle, which displays the current settings. Cons: made mostly of plastic. Use of plastic at this price and quality level seems wrong. Number 6. Simpson Cleaning MSH 3125. This is considered to be a totally maintenance-free device with a long working resource. The device is all built with quality and has a high-power pump. The wheels of this machine are inflatable, and having a diameter of 10 inches, they let the device roll effortlessly over rocks and any other kind of obstruction. The frame is constructed of welded steel and is very tough and resilient. It is able to resist any kind of damage and will let the model work for a long time. The washer is shipped with 5 tips that screw on and let you aim the water stream at an angle. There is also a tube of quality detergent shipped with the device. The washers are factory tested, and you will probably never buy a broken or defective one. The engine is a powerful Honda GC190, giving this machine the ability to generate extreme pressure. Pros: the engine is very powerful and will let you spray off a whole house. The model is built to last, and the pump casing is made of strong brass metal. The washer is overall built with precision and very rarely does it fail. Cons: the pump is very loud, and you should use ear protection. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.